Lying and manipulation are hallmarks of abusive relationships. Intentionally misleading someone is highly destructive to their self-esteem. Gaslighting, an example of manipulation, is common in many toxic relationships. Learning what gaslighting is can help you recognize dangerous behavior in your relationships. The term gaslighting comes from the 1944 film Gaslight, in which a man tries to make his wife believe she is losing her mind by making small changes in their home and denying that they ever happened. The term gaslighting to describe someone who tries to manipulate another person by making them question their reality. Gaslighting is a toxic form of emotional abuse that leaves lasting scars on an individual's mental health. Here are the 4 most common psychological impacts of gaslighting on victims. Number 1. Affecting their self-esteem. Gaslighting is a form of deception that gradually diminishes an individual's self-esteem, leading to self-doubt, diminished self-worth, anxiety, and depression. Victims may question their abilities, judgments, and sanity, causing a vicious cycle. Number 2. Isolation. Gaslighters often isolate victims from their loved ones, creating a false narrative that isolates them from their support system. This manipulation can spread lies or distort events, intensifying feelings of loneliness and despair, and exacerbating the negative impact on mental health. Number 3. Cognitive dissonance. Gaslighting causes cognitive dissonance in victims as they struggle with the distorted reality presented by the gaslighter, leading to confusion, anxiety, and a persistent sense of being ungrounded, further causing mental distress. Number 4. Anxiety and depression. Gaslighting, a form of emotional manipulation, can lead to anxiety and depression in victims, causing heightened fear, hypervigilance, and sadness. Untreated mental health issues can worsen, impacting work, relationships, and overall quality of life over time. Gaslighting can have long-lasting effects on survivors, making it difficult to trust others, form healthy relationships, or maintain a positive self-image. This highlights the need for therapy and support to overcome trauma and rebuild mental well-being after an abusive relationship ends.